Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Stoichiometry is exactly that. It is the quantitative relation between the number of moles, and therefore mass, of various products and reactants in a chemical reaction. Chemical reactions must be balanced, or in other words, must have the same number of various atoms in the products as in the reactants.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Stoichiometry is the study of the quantitative relationships or ratios between two or more substances undergoing a physical change or chemical change, chemical reaction. The word derives from the Greek words, stoichion, meaning element, and metron, meaning to measure.
Take our lead.
1 answer. If you want to get the right amount of the product, you need to measure the specific amounts of each reactant, ingredient, as given in the recipe, such as flour and sugar. Stoichiometry tells us how much of each reactant is required to obtain the desired amount of product.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.